Hey everyone, I got a special video for you today. It was something I wasn't going to go down, but then I was like, oh, but people need to know. And I'm kind of glad I did because it is free now. There will be a free tier, they say. However, there'll be points. And I am talking about our very own vibe coding platform in Kianis or any white label of HighLevel. Let me show you how to set it up and then let's play around. I've only done one little thing and I will show you what that looks like. But um, kind of excited. Now, do not go down this rabbit hole if you do not have time and have 20 million things on your to-do list. Do not go through. Nope, you're good. Okay. So you are going to go to what's called labs. Now, lab is where they test everything. It's like a beta, and you can sign in, or you can toggle it on and off that you can try it as well. So let's go. We're not going to look at everything. I think I should do a video on, you know, some of the things that are in there, but for now, let's just go look at this. So we're going to go all the way down on the left-hand side and hit settings. And then you're going to go all the way down again and you're going to go into labs. So like this, see it says test out the new features before everyone else hits. Now remember, beta means there might be some weirdness, there might be some glitches, stuff like that. So, but you do have, like, you can put your feedback in and you can tell them, hey, this doesn't work, stuff like that. So it's kind of cool. Now there's a lot in here. We're just going to keep scrolling, but hold on, this one toggle on too. Just we're going to be doing this on one soon, but toggle that one too. All right, now let's go down to right here where it says AI Studio. Toggle. It's going to be live in 30 days. This is the AI Studio is an AI-powered platform that lets anyone design, build, launch fully functional experiences through natural conversation, no coding required. With AI Studio, you can create multi-page websites, funnels, applications, interactive components simply by describing what you want, refine them into a production-ready experience within minutes. There's no hosting charges and tokens are free during the labs, please. After launch, a free tier will be available with transparent pass-through token pricing for any usage beyond the included list. So let's use it now. All right, so let me go back. This is where you're going to find it. You're going to go back and it'll be a new little thing right here for you. You're going to want to go right there. And then it comes up with this beautiful thing. Now, earlier when I opened it, I saw the templates, but I didn't scroll down and notice that there was more templates. Like there's a to-do list, chat, restaurant, now calendar, weather app, social media feed, a blog, build a blog, all kinds, e-commerce store, all kinds, dashboard. Interesting. So there's all kinds of templates already, but also you can describe what you want to build. Let's see here. Let's just off the top of our head here. I would love to build a micro app. Now, I didn't even think about this. And let's spell right, Pam. For, let's see here, email, subject, long subject, and preview. Okay. For um oh, I'm just going crazy with the spelling here. who need people to open their emails. Okay. I'm going to attach a picture with some colors, possibly. Can we use the colors I attached? Is it attached? Oh, it is. No, I don't see anything attached. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, it's too large. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna write bright pink, teal, orange. Goodness gracious. Pink, teal, orange. Okay, that'll be enough. As colors. Let's see what it does. Here it is. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay. Nail your open rates. Preview how your emails have to look in real inbox. Oh, I didn't even think. I get it. I mean, that's kind of what I said, right? I was like, what? Why is that? But okay, I get it. Okay, so Pam Allen. Okay, I guess that. But look it's not the matter of what it made me. It made me exactly what I wrote the thing in preview. And preview, see right there. So I'm going to go down here. I love this, but I was looking for a subject and preview generator. That's what I should have put. Okay. This is cute. And I don't, yeah, not bad, not bad. So let's see what it's doing. It's thinking. Oh, where did it go? All right. Subject and preview generate. And describe your email and let AI generate. Oh, it keeps going back to the other one. Let's see here. Let me. Maybe we need to apply changes. That's probably what it. All right. Publish. View app. And then it gives tone, urgent, curious, funny. Let's do funny. All right, generate ideas. And I didn't even tell it how many ideas. Generated 4. Oops, we did it again. I mean, it can work. I feel like, put a little bit more love into it, it might be a little bit better. But yeah, you guys, and it's free for right now. Now let's go back, and I want to go to a template. Let's do landing page. All right. I need a landing page for a custom GBT bot. Cute. That is for free. I want to have an email opt-in form, name, email only, and in bright teal, pink, yellow, orange. Oh, the bot's name is the no cringe email builder. All right. And since it was already generating, I'm just going to stop it and put my stuff in, and then we'll come back to see what it does.